Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Breast pain usually occurs because the mammary glands become more sensitive during hormonal changes. However, it can also occur as a result of inflammatory diseases and infections like mastitis. Though some women may worry about the pain because they link it to breast cancer, most cases are harmless and subside within a few days. While how painful the condition can be varies on its exact cause, there are natural remedies that can help relieve the pain in all cases. Witch hazel tea. The tea reduces breast inflammation and improves circulation, working to oxygenate your body tissue. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 ml. 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, 20 grams. Preparation: bring a cup of water to a boil and, when ready, add the tablespoons of witch hazel. Leave the tea to sit for 20 minutes or until it reaches a manageable temperature. Use: soak a cotton cloth in the tea and apply it to your breasts. Leave it to work for 10 minutes, massaging continuously to gently warm up the area. Repeat the process until the pain dissipates. Flaxseed water. Flaxseed contains notable quantities of omega-3 fatty acids and essential minerals that, once taken, reduce inflammation. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 10 grams. 1 cup of water, 250 ml. Preparation: soak a spoonful of flax seeds in a cup of warm water. Cover the cup and leave it to sit for one night. The next day, strain it and drink the gelatinous liquid. Use: drink on an empty stomach for at least 2 weeks. Horsetail tea. Drinking horsetail tea can help reduce breast pain if it's caused by the liquid retention that occurs during menstruation. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of horsetail, 5 grams. 1 cup of water, 250 ml. Preparation: pour the teaspoon of horsetail into a cup of boiling water. Cover the cup and leave it to sit at room temperature for 10 minutes. Strain and drink. Use: consume the tea 2 times a day, starting 3 or 4 days before menstruation. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, why not share it with others? Subscribe the channel for more health tips and recipes and share your experiences and suggestion in the comment section below.